if incoming calls are not showing up on the screen on a Samsung Galaxy S26, first you can check if you have the not disturb mode activated. If it is enabled, then you will not be able to see incoming calls. At least most likely you will not see incoming calls, and therefore you might miss them like that. If you don't have the ND button in quick settings, then you can open settings of your phone instead, go to notifications, and then in here we can find the ND settings. And of course you can make sure that it is disabled in here, and also you can check if you have any schedules created or something like that. Now, besides that, if the ND mode is not the reason why you cannot see incoming calls, then you can open the phone app. Over here, we're gonna tap on these three dots that you can find here on the right side or in the upper right side of the phone, and then we're gonna go to the call settings. So open settings here, and then we need to find let me actually try to find it, call display while using apps, and you probably want to switch to the full screen in here. And once you do that, you can of course give it a try and see if that helps. Now if this didn't help as well, you can also open settings, scroll down in here to apps. Now we're gonna tap on this like half an hour with 3 lines in order to show system apps in this place. Once you enable that, we're gonna use the search option in the upper right corner, and first we're gonna type phone. There we go, and you should be able to find the phone app. You want to force stop it, go to permissions, and make sure that these permissions are allowed, at least these are enabled in here. And if one of them is in not allowed, then of course you can tap on it in order to grant the permission. You can also check notifications just in case. Of course, you want to make sure that all these notifications are enabled. The pop-up style over here doesn't really matter, but you probably want to always show or choose the default one, the show always option for the content. Of course, sound and vibration should also be enabled. Now, besides that, the calling app, make sure that this phone app is the default one. And then we're gonna go to the storage, and over here you can clear data and confirm that you want to delete it. Now, besides that, we should also be able to find some other phone apps. So for example, over here there's like another phone. So in this case, we're gonna go to the storage, and you want to clear the data. And if you can't clear data, just clear cache. Alright, then we're gonna go to the phone and messaging storage and do the same thing. Open the storage, and if you can, clear data, if not, clear cache. Alright, then we have phone calls, so we're gonna do exactly the same thing, just clear the data or clear cache. And then we're gonna go to phone services and do exactly the same thing. Alright, once we are done with all of these apps, I'm gonna switch from the phone to call. There we go, we have a call app. We're gonna do the same thing again, so just clear the data. There we go. And then we have call services, we're gonna use that as well. Let's clear the data. And let's see if there's anything else. We have call BG provider. We can go here as well and clear the storage. All right. And there's also the smart call, which we can of course clear as well, just in case. And I think it should be it. There's also Wi-Fi calling, but I don't think this has to be cleared. All right. So now that we have cleared all the data for these apps, I can recommend you opening the phone app again, because we actually force stopped it. So we should reopen it just to make sure that it is running in the background. And also I can recommend you restarting your phone just in case. Sometimes a simple restart also does the trick. And then after all of that, incoming calls should finally be visible. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.